Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can remove recommended songs from Spotify playlist. So let's say you created a playlist and on the playlist you get recommended songs inside it. Now let me tell you how you guys can fix it. But first let me tell you what is causing it. So the reason Spotify is recommending you song when you're playing songs on your playlist is because your playlist has less than 50 songs. So in order to stop Spotify from recommending you songs from playlist, you need to have more than 50 songs on your playlist. So right now inside this playlist I don't have 50 songs. So what I need to do, I need to click on add to this playlist and then search for some songs which I like and click on the plus right beside the song to add it on my playlist. So just like this, I need to keep on adding songs on my playlist, and if I have more than 50 songs, then Spotify is not going to recommend me any song or like any other song outside of my playlist while I'm listening to my playlist. So yeah, that is basically how we guys can remove recommended songs from your Spotify playlist. So it's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then just hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide, for future videos related to Spotify like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.